On this episode, samahan niyo akong lutuin ng ating paborito lalo na tuwing Pasko, ang bibingka. Hello everyone, my name is Mika and welcome to another episode of Kakanin series video recipe of Miguelitos. 2 cups of evaporated milk, 3 medium-sized eggs, 5 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 pack of Miguelitos instant Bibingka mix. So preheat the oven for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Then prepare the bibingka molders lined with banana leaf or parchment paper. And combine the Miguelitos instant bibingka premix with 3 medium-sized eggs and 5 tablespoons of melted butter in a bowl and mix until smooth. Pour into the molders until it's about 3/4 full. Then bake it for 5 minutes, then top with salted egg and sliced cheese. After, bake it for another 8 minutes until it's done. Brush the surface with butter or margarine and sprinkle sugar and top with grated coconuts.
Ayan, ready na ang bibingka. Perfect for Burmans, pang-regalo at pang-negosyo. Miguelitos instant bibingka mix is only 90 pesos and you can make around 16 medium-sized bibingka and you could sell it for 75 to 100 pesos per pack. For orders, visit our official Facebook page and we are also available in Lazada and Shopee. And to be updated for more video recipes of Miguelitos, don't forget to click the ring bell button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Miguelitos, ang best partner mo sa negosyo.